Hi everyone, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can, activate, use and manage the keyboard clipboard on the Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV smartphone. So let's go ahead and launch the keyboard first. At the top part of it, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Once set the clipboard, turn on this toggle and that will mean that you have successfully activated it. If you want to remove some of the elements or any of the elements you have over here, you want to tap on the pencil, select the elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. In order for anything to be added to the clipboard, just copy it. So let's say I want the word car to be added to the keyboard clipboard. I'll go ahead and select it, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added as the clipboard most recent element. From here, if you want to use any of the elements, if you want to paste any of the elements you have over here at the typing bar that you have launched the keyboard from, just simply tap on it, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.